Hello, Treasure Nation! It's time to register for your courses for this coming school year. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to register for your classes quickly and easily. The purpose of this presentation is to go over course registration materials, how to register, classes with prerequisites and applications, and lastly, graduation requirements. Let's start with materials. Course selection materials can be accessed electronically or as hard copies. Electronic versions can be accessed via the Counseling Corner in Canvas or the Charger Chatter. Hard copies are available in the cafeteria during Lightning Lunch. The Educational Planning Guide, or EPG, is a great resource when you are selecting courses. It is accessible online at ccisd/myepg. You can also pick up a hard copy from the cafeteria during Lightning Lunch. The EPG is your resource for course descriptions, graduation plans, and general information pertaining to all CCISD high schools. Now let's look at how to select your courses. To register for courses, you need to start by planning your courses on the course planning worksheet. This is where you write in the courses you will be taking the next school year. You will enter your selected courses directly into Skyward. Be sure to plan for a total of 7 credits. Then, plan your alternates. Be sure to list at least 3 to 4 alternates. These are often used by counselors when there is a conflict with your schedule. Lastly, be sure to write in the course numbers along with the course name. This will be helpful when entering your courses into Skyward. The campus course list is a list of all available courses at CSHS. You will select your courses from this list. Be sure to pay attention to the codes. They give you additional information about the courses, like the requirement for prerequisites, application, or approval. They also will tell you which courses do not have a level down option. Again, pay attention to the codes. To enter your courses directly into Skyward, you will need to log into your Skyward Student Access. After you have logged into Skyward, you will click on the Schedule tab. Look for Course Request Now Open. Click on Request Courses for the upcoming school year. Search for your course by entering the course number in the search box. Click on the correct course to highlight it. Then, click Add Course. Continue this process until you have reached at least 7 credits. If you are taking an athletics or fine arts class, be sure to check with your coach or director for the correct course number to enter. It is important to select 3 to 4 alternates, just in case there is a scheduling conflict. To enter your alternates, click on Request Alternates and enter 3 to 4 alternate courses using the search feature and Add Course button. You can also use arrows to rank your choices. Now let's talk about the courses with prerequisites and the ones that require applications. Some courses require prerequisites that can be found in the course description part of the EPG. The prerequisites are the classes you must have already taken. For example, for food science, you must have taken biology, chemistry, and 1 additional science before you can register for it. Always check the EPG to make sure you have met the prerequisites and/or grade level. Skyward will not let you select a course if the prerequisites have not been met. There are also classes that require an application that are marked with an A in the code column. If you are interested in taking any of these courses, be sure to apply online at ccisd.net/CTE applications. Other courses that require an application include Release Time, School Service, and PALS. You can access the electronic versions of the Release Time and School Service applications via the Counseling Corner in Canvas or the Charger Chatter. Or you can pick up a hard copy from the Counseling Corner during Lightning Lunch. Remember, for Release Time, you must meet all application criteria, including CCMR. And now for a quick recap of the graduation requirements. Be sure the classes you select meet your graduation requirements. Remember, you need 26 credits to graduate: 4 English, 4 Math, 4 Science, 3 Social Studies, 2 World Language and Culture, 1 Fine Art, 1 PE, and 7 elective credits. If you have questions about your graduation requirements, please see your counselor. You can always refer back to the courses you discussed with your counselor during your freshman or sophomore conference to help you remember which classes you need for graduation. Juniors, you will review the courses you selected during your junior conference in March. Updates can be made at the time if needed. And now for a few important course selection reminders. Choose your classes carefully. Schedule changes are for data entry mistakes or course errors. Other change requests are rarely approved. Online verifications will be in March and April. Your courses must be entered by the date seen here. Now let's talk about Registration Station. If you have questions about course selection or registration, visit the Registration Station. It will be available on the dates listed on the flyer. Counselors will be set up in front of the pods to help you. Registration Station is a place where you can get your course registration questions answered, get replacement/extra materials, get help with the Skyward course entry, or meet with a counselor. Thanks for watching. Chargers, happy course selecting!